Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Series S, then ground yourself to avoid static damage. Once done, remove the 4 Torx T8 screws on the bottom. These hold the outer shell. Make sure to peel any warranty stickers carefully so they don't tear into fragments. Use a plastic spudger at the rear seam and apply light, even pressure while sliding toward the vents. This frees the bottom panel without bending clips and lets you access internal screws and connectors safely. Now you remove the internal metal shield and fan assembly to reach the motherboard. First, unscrew the remaining Torx screws holding the shield. Keep screws organized by location to avoid confusion during reassembly. Next, disconnect the CMOS battery cable, fan power connector, and the SSD ribbon. Use a flat tool to lift connectors straight up to avoid bending pins. Once disconnected, lift the metal shield and fan as a single unit so you don't stress cables. This reveals the heatsink and board for further work. Finish by removing the heatsink screws and carefully lifting the heatsink to expose the SoC and thermal interface. You can slide out the NVMe SSD from its slot if replacing storage. When lifting the motherboard, do it straight up to avoid snagging hidden connectors. Make sure to inspect thermal pads, ribbon cables, and connector pins for damage. Replace any torn ribbons. If things go wrong, a common fix is reseating connectors and replacing a loose foil cable. Power on.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.